Welcome to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to download and install OWASP Broken Web Application. So without wasting any much time, let us start downloading. Go to your favorite browser. I am preferring Firefox and type download OWASP Broken Web Application and then hit enter. BWA is a virtual machine used by penetration testers to practice hacking skills. Go to the first link sourceforgenet.com. Click on the first link that appears and then navigate to the files section. You can also download the file from the first page that had appeared, but I will go to files section and then download the latest version. Wait till the file gets downloaded. Save the file at the desired location in the desired folder. You can see my file is downloading, so we will wait till the file gets downloaded. Depending upon your internet connectivity, it may take around half hour to 1 hour till the file gets completely downloaded. My file has been downloaded, the zip file, and you have to click extract here. So this process will also take some time, so be patient. My files have been extracted and you can see at the bottom a number of virtual machines have appeared. Do not worry, I will show you which virtual machines you need to install. Navigate to your VirtualBox as we have installed in the previous lectures. Click New and then give the name to your OWASP Broken Web Application. You can give whatever name you want. Select the type as Linux and OS version as Debian 64-bit. If your computer is 32-bit, you can select 32-bit. You can also select it or set to it as Ubuntu. I have chosen Ubuntu because it's better to choose Ubuntu. Now select the file from where you have downloaded. I have downloaded it from the download section. Navigate to all the VirtualBox files. Now you have to click the last file. Do not forget about the 001, 002 extensions. You have to select the file which has no extension in front of it and then select the file and click choose. There you go. The OWASP BWA has been imported into the VirtualBox. Now right click on the machine, go to settings, select here Ubuntu 64-bit, go to network, select NAT network and then hit OK. After doing this, click start. If NAT network doesn't appear at your machine, go to the VirtualBox preferences, create a new network there and name it as NAT network. Now this process of launching the virtual machine, that is the OWASP BWA, will take a lot of time at first because you are launching the machine for the first time. You can see my machine has been launched and I have fast forwarded the video. Now give the username as they have specified, that is MSF admin, and password is also MSF admin. Hit enter. And there you go. My machine has been started. Give it a couple of seconds to get you to the command prompt. Yes, this is the command prompt. Now type ifconfig to know the IP address of your machine. My IP address is 10.0.2.15. You can see in the first section, that is ETH0. Now write sudo power off to shut down the machine. In the upcoming lectures, we will see how to launch this machine into the Kali Linux browsers so that you can practice penetration testing and hacking skills that we are going to learn throughout the lectures. So in the next lecture, we will see how to download more virtual machines that we require for our lab setup. I will see you in the next lecture.